Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about causes of diabetes mellitus, natural supplements to lower blood sugar. Diabetes is a life-threatening health issue, if it is not controlled naturally. The allopathic drugs will damage your liver and kidneys. It is not advisable to consume synthetic drugs and insulin. Diabetes may cause due to the hereditary factor. The modern lifestyle and very less inactivity of people do cause diabetes. The causes of diabetes mellitus may differ with people and their age. It is advisable to consume natural supplements to lower blood sugar. Diacheal capsules are from Ayurvedic manufacturer and it is the best herbal pills to lower blood glucose level naturally. It contains the best herbs for diabetes without any side effects. What causes diabetes mellitus? The main causes of diabetes mellitus are due to insufficient production of insulin in the pancreas. This causes to increase the level of glucose in your blood. A person having more than 140 mg/dl of blood sugar after 1 hour of food is considered a diabetic person. The prolonged high blood sugar in your body will permanently with this disease. This is not a disease, and it is the inability to produce sufficient insulin in your body. Diacheal capsules are the best natural supplements to lower blood sugar. Diabetes mellitus symptoms. The common symptoms are feeling thirsty frequently, frequent urination, feeling tired, sleep apnea. The causes of diabetes mellitus are unknown. You can become diabetic in any stage of your life. You can be away from becoming diabetic by consuming the natural supplements to lower blood sugar. The major symptoms are: you can feel numbness in your legs and hands soon after consuming any food. You can feel unusual sensation in your feet and might throw your legs suddenly. You can feel missed gravity while in standing and sleeping. Any wound on your skin will take much longer time to heal. How to consume herbal remedy for diabetes. The best herbs for diabetes can bring down your blood sugar level within 3 to 4 months. The diacheal capsules are most preferred by the Ayurvedic practitioners. The causes of diabetes mellitus have been unknown until now. The natural supplements to lower blood sugar are the best to consume with water before food. The herbal pills to lower blood glucose level naturally will work well with the diabetic-friendly food. Diacheal capsules are 100% safe for men and women. It has the best herbs for diabetes, which is the secret of Ayurveda. You can take any other supplement along with the herbal remedies. You must consume them an hour after consuming diacheal capsules. It will not make any side effects. The causes of diabetes mellitus are natural. The natural supplements to lower blood sugar can only keep away from this disease. Diacheal capsules are preferred for all age of people including the woman. You can find more details about diacheal capsules at natureagain.com. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.